In this lecture, we are going to discuss about the conversion of different distillation curves. So first thing that you all should know that the distillation curves, either it is a TBP, ASTM or EFV, they can be interconvertible. Means one, if you have a TBP distillation curves, you can convert this TBP distillation curve into the ASTM. For example, if this is a TBP distillation curve, so you can convert into the ASTM curve, or you can convert into the EFV curve. There are two methods, normally two methods. One, you can use the correlations and equations. The second method, you can use the charts and graph to convert these things. Let us discuss these methods. So the first one, how to convert the distillation curve. So this is one equation correlation where ASTM D86 can be converted into the TBP. It's a very simple one. Only two parameters are given here, A and B. So T dash is equal to A T ke power B, where T dash is the basically TBP that you want to find out, and T is the D86 temperature. Both are in Kelvin. A and B are the constant depending on the fractions distilled. For example, in this table we have shown here that for the different volume distilled, the value of A and B is given here, the temperature D86 is given here, and now you have to find out what should be the temperature of TBP. So this is a task, you have to do it. Now come to the next one. To convert the distillation curve, for example TBP distillation curve into the ASTM distillation curve. So normally we always have the TBP distillation curves. So using the TBP distillation curves, we can convert into the ASTM distillation curve. So for that thing, it's very simple one. You can use the concept of slope. So how to calculate the slope of the TBP curve or TBP graph? It is given here, T70 minus T10 upon 60. These are the new terms. So we are going to define the meaning of T70, 70% and 10%. So 70% and 10% means the volumetric volume points on the vaporization or distillation curves. For example, this is the distillation curves that is given here, and this is 10%, x-axis 10%, at 10% that you can find the y-axis temperature. So T70 or T10, this is the value of T10. Similarly, for the 70 value, you can find the temperature. So in this way, you can find both temperatures and find out about the temperature slope. So I'm again repeating it, how to find the slope. First, you can find out the T10 value, that is the temperature at 10 volume percent. Then you can find the temperature at 70 volume percent, and then T70 minus T10 upon 60, that gives the TBP slope. So in this way you can find the TBP slope. That is the first one that you should know. The second one is basically related with the conversion of TBP slope into the ASTM. Now you know about the TBP slope, you have calculated the TBP slope. How you can convert? So the first method is the graphical method. You can use the graph where you can convert. For example, this is a graph, x-axis is the TBP slope. If you know the value of TBP slope, you can find out the y value, and y value you can find with the help of EFV curves, the slope of EFV, you can find the ASTM, and so on. And also you can use the correlations. So TBP slope into the ASTM by equations. This is equation where y ASTM slope is equal to 0.8334 multiplied by the TBP slope minus 0.0453. So using this equation you can convert also. Now this is the second step, TBP slope into ASTM slope. The third step is with the help of TBP T50 to ASTM T50. So using the graph, so you can use the graph. For example, this is a graph that can be used here to convert the TBP T50 to ASTM T50. So this x-axis is the TBP T50 value, and y-axis the ASTM T50 value in the temperature Fahrenheit. X-axis also in the given Fahrenheit. Here the most important thing, you have to look over the temperature. Don't ignore the units of temperature. So with the help of graph you can convert, or you can use the correlations. So correlation is very simple. TUP T50 can be converted 1.05 multiplied by the TUP T50, that gives the value of ASTM T50. So this is about the third step, that is how to convert the TUP T50 to ASTM. T50 means temperature at 50 volume percent. So you can find out the TUP values. How? That graph, with the help of graph, and you can find by this correlation or this graph to ASTM T50. Now come to the fourth one. Fourth one is basically the relationship between the TUPP and ASTM initial boiling point, that is IBP, and final boiling point, that is FBP. So these are the two graphs. If you look closer, x-axis is the TUP temperature in degree Fahrenheit, y-axis ASTM temperature in degree Fahrenheit, and the upper line is initial boiling point IBP and lower line is the final boiling point FBP. So if you know the initial boiling point of TBP or in final boiling point of TBP, you can find out the value of ASTM. So with the help of either graph or with the help of these two equations, you can find the ASTM IBP and ASTM FBP using these two correlations. So these are the basically methods where you can convert slope, T50 and initial boiling point and final boiling point. Now this is a question to how to convert the TUP data into the ASTM by overall basis and by the cuts. So we'll explain this one by one, and you have to do this equation also. Thank you.